This is how much I have earned with this strategy, and basically anyone who has some free time can do it as well. Hit that subscribe button for more and let's get started. Now, first of all, I want to tell you that this is enormous amounts of money here. For example, if you just click on this fundamentals of DSLR photography, you will find out that this guy here gets this course and he earns a lot of money from all of these students that he accumulated over time. Now, of course, he is here for a long time and he has some experience with this one and he scaled his job very nicely. Now, let me tell you what this is all about. This is Skillshare.com, and for example, if you click here on Browse, you will see that there are certain categories here which are related to some skills. So, for example, if you have some experience in graphic design, if you have some experience in creative writing or animation, you can come here and make some videos, and people will just play those videos, those tutorials, and you will earn a lot of money. So, if you go, I don't know, for example, on graphic design, you will find that a lot of people are doing this as well. A lot of people are getting money with this, and trust me, a lot of money is in here. A lot of money is on this website because people are coming here every day to learn something, and I'm going to show you how you can make these videos without even having any of these skills. So for example, you don't have to be some professional in Adobe, you don't have to be professional in anything at all. You can just come here, use this strategy, use these tools that I'm going to share with you, and you can start earning money for yourself. So when you come on Skillshare.com, you can just scroll down to the bottom and click on this button, Become a Teacher. Now here you can see that you can inspire people, and you can see that top earning teachers on this website make $100,000 each year, guys. Now that's 100,000 reasons for you to come and join on this website and start getting that money just like these people are doing. So for example, let's just take a look at this testimonial. Teaching on Skillshare gives me the financial flexibility to take on only the work I'm most passionate about. So you're gonna be free to do here whatever you want, guys. A lot of money is here. You will come here and earn money with this strategy, and it's absolutely easy, and of course it's free. So first of all, when you come here, you will just go on the main page and just click on this green sign up button. You can of course continue with Facebook, with Google or Apple account, or you can sign up using email. And now once you're on the inside, you will have a lot of information here on how to start your journey, but you can just follow me and you will see how this actually works. So this is section which is entitled Teach. You will just go click here on Create a Class. Now you just have to go and start a class by clicking on this button here, and you will be instantly redirected to these requirements. So these are video lessons that you will make, and you must adhere to these rules. You must include at least 10 minutes of video content. So your videos have to be at least 10 minutes in order to get your money with this. Of course, you will have a standalone introduction video that explains what the class is about. So you will make an intro about what your class is, and I'm going to show you later how you can do it easily and without much work. I have one website which is going to do it all for you automatically. You will just have to download it and then re-upload it on this website on Skillshare in order to get a lot of money. Of course, you will have to meet their standards for audio and video quality, and that's some standard HD videos. This website will give you that. And of course, you will limit self-promotion to first and last video lessons. So there shouldn't be anything in between. And now you will just come here and upload videos. But now you must first make those videos, and let me show you how it's done. This is Render Forest. It is over at renderforest.com, and here you can see that this website offers you the best online branding tools to create high quality videos, logos, graphics, mockups, and websites with minimal time and effort. This is of course totally free, and you have all these video templates for all purposes, guys. You can choose whichever one you want. You can also preview these websites here, these templates, so you can from start just choose which one of these you like. So for example, I almost always go with these whiteboards when making these videos, these tutorials, because they are the most fun ones to watch, and there is something certainly interesting in that, watching something coming up in front of your eyes. Some hand is coming and it's painting basically in front of your eyes, and that's really cool. You can browse designs here as well, but first of all, guys, we need to make ourselves an account. You can just click here on sign in, then you can just click here on this sign up button, make yourself an account, and then I'll see you on the inside. And now once you're on the inside, you can see that you have all of these templates here. So I've told you that I'm gonna go with whiteboard, and I like whiteboard very much, so for the sake of this video we're gonna use this as well. So here on the left side you almost always have these previews, so you can just go and watch the video about it, how it goes, what you need to do, and what else is included in this template. So you can here see that you have a lot of options, wide variety of options is here, so you can create whatever you want. You can of course be creative with this, how much you want. Just click on this create now button and you will instantly be redirected to their video making template. Now for this step you have to add a scene, or you can load a preset from ready-made stories, or you can type your own script. So you can type your own script, and when you include that script in this video maker, they will make a video based on that script. So that's the best way in which you can do it. In that way, you will just have to write a script, write a quick script for 10 minutes video, and just include it in this video maker. But you can of course load a preset here, you can click on create, and then now choose whichever one of these you want. So for example, if your video is something about, I don't know, music school introduction, you can use this one, or if it's car repair service promotion, you can use that, business idea, whatever you want, delivery service, graphic designer for example, and you will just click on this use ready story. Now here you will see that this is very much self-explanatory. You will just come here and you will edit all of these. You can see that it's fairly easy. This interface is fairly easy and everyone can do it. Everyone can do it. You only have to invest a tiny bit of your time and the money is yours, guys. Remember, guys, $100,000 per year is waiting for you if you do this method correct. You can here choose which characters you want to get involved in this, and you also have wide variety of options. There is something for everyone here. You can choose wherever you want. And trust me, guys, it's very fun as well. And when you are done with this, you will just have to download that into your computer and you will be done with it. This here is preview, of course, and now you can just come back on Skillshare.com and share your video with these people, guys. You will just have to click on upload videos and that's it. What's interesting is that these guys also have referral program. You can invite friends and you get some money for that as well. They have apps on the App Store. You can see that it is very well rated on the App Store, 4.8 out of 5, very good rating. And on Google Play, it's skyrocketing, 50,000 ratings, and they've got 4.5 out of 5. This really speaks for itself. And with the help of this tool, you won't have to do anything. Money is yours and you don't have to do anything, guys. It's really easy. You can see how this guy, for example, did this video. He has an intro for the start and then the list goes on and on. He has 22 of these and he has 140,000 students, guys. He has 500 projects. It's really good. His videos are also made on the render forest, as I can see, so he uses it as well. And guys, $100,000 per year, it's enough for me. Now go out there, take some action, and I'll catch you later.